Hi, I'm Steve Richardson. Do you have a personal injury lawsuit that you brought as a result of a car accident or some other injury? Or are you suing somebody for money damages for some other reason? And are you thinking about filing bankruptcy? Well, if you are, you need to make sure you list that lawsuit as an asset in your bankruptcy. Now, you might be afraid that the trustee might see that lawsuit, see dollar signs, take the suit away from you, and use any money that comes from that suit to pay your creditors. Well, even though that might happen, you're really still better off listing it anyway. Here's why. Let's say you don't list it, and the defendant in that lawsuit finds out you haven't listed it and says, oh, well, you say you don't have a claim. You didn't say that in the bankruptcy, so you don't have a claim. And they could move to dismiss your lawsuit because you didn't list it in the bankruptcy. You don't think it's a claim in your bankruptcy. It's not an asset. So you don't want to run into a problem of losing the lawsuit outright because you didn't list it. And even more so, if you list that lawsuit in your bankruptcy, there is still an exemption for personal injury lawsuit in the bankruptcy code. So you can still protect a certain amount of money that may come from that lawsuit. So even if the trustee takes over and continues the lawsuit and wants to use some of that money to pay your creditors, you still get a certain amount of that money no matter what because of that exemption for a personal injury lawsuit. So, if you're thinking about bankruptcy here in Southern New Jersey and you have an ongoing lawsuit, the best thing to do is to list it. It can only cause problems for you if you don't. And if you live here in Southern New Jersey and you're thinking about filing bankruptcy, please feel free to give my office a call. I'd be happy to sit down in my Woodbury office, look at your situation, and see whether bankruptcy is right for you.